This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Lexus battery. Begin by disconnecting the negative terminal first to prevent shorts, then remove the positive terminal. Wear gloves and eye protection while loosening hold-down bolts and lifting out the old battery. Clean corrosion from terminals with a wire brush and baking soda solution. Confirm the replacement battery has the correct group size and cold cranking amps before installing. Start by turning off all electrical accessories and ensuring keys are out. Use a wrench to loosen the negative terminal clamp and move the cable away from the battery. Next, loosen the positive terminal and then unbolt the hold-down bracket. Lift the battery straight up using 2 hands and a steady stance. Place the old battery on a stable surface and inspect cable ends for corrosion or fraying to decide if replacements are needed. Set the new battery into the tray, ensuring the positive and negative terminals face the correct cables. Secure the hold down snugly so the battery does not move, but do not over-tighten any plastic components. Reconnect the positive terminal and tighten its clamp, followed by the negative terminal. Apply a thin coat of dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion. Start the engine and verify dashboard lights reset and accessories function normally before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.